Hola amigos! We are staying at Windham Ultra Samana, and today we are taking a boat tour to very beautiful beaches, one of which is the world famous one, Rincón Beach. We took this excursion from the hotel and brought us to the meeting point in Las Galeras.
Hey.
Here we go. We are fully equipped and ready for the boat tour.
Thank you, family. Very welcome to Las Galeras. Very welcome. Las Galeras is one of our beautiful little town in the Dominican Republic. So today you are here to make 4 places: Fronton Beach, Madama Beach, La Playita, and then we making Rincón, which is one of the top notch of the day, okay?
After 20 minutes, a rough, extreme, and very exciting boat ride. That was crazy. We are finally at Playa Fronton. This gorgeous place is considered one of the best beaches in the Dominican Republic. Crystal clear waters and white sand surrounded by a lush tropical forest. There are many caves worth of exploration. It's also great for climbing, with a 91-meter wall ideal for rappelling, making it a top destination for tourists who rent boats or hike the 2-hour trail to this fabulous beach. It was very exciting to meet some of our followers and enjoy a great time together.
Family, very welcome to Madama Beach. We're waiting for you, looking forward for you.
Yes.
This is paradise, family.
In 25 minutes boat ride, we arrived at La Playita. We had lunch included in the excursion price. And then we had 30 minutes leisure time on that beautiful beach. And the next and last ride is to our favorite Rincón Beach.
Thank you, family. Very welcome to Rincón Beach, considered one of the principal beaches in Dominican Republic, inside of the most beautiful beach in the world, Rincón. So please come to paradise, enjoy this beautiful nature.
Rincón Beach is our favorite one, actually made up of 7 beaches and is 3 miles long. So one great plan is definitely to go for a walk. There are beach lounge chairs available, but they are offered at an extra charge. This is the place where the excursion boats arrive, and the water is the best for swimming and snorkeling. Today we had a very nice excursion. We visited very famous beaches, and I can definitely confirm that this is so beautiful here. You definitely need to come, guys.
Thank you, thank you. Very proud to have you in the Dominican Republic. See you soon. Ok, perfecto. Ahora vamos a decir bienvenidos a Playa Rincón. ¡Bienvenidos!